How well do you know diseases? You will get 10 seconds to answer each question. Jaundice is a disease of A. Kidney, B. Liver, C. Pancreas, D. Stomach. The right answer is B. Liver. Which of the following is a non-communicable disease? A. Allergy, B. Common cold, C. Malaria, D. Tuberculosis. The right answer is A. Allergy. An insect which transmits disease is known as A. Prey, B. Intermediate host, C. Vector, D. Parasite. The right answer is C. Vector. Which of the following is a disease caused by a protozoan? A. Amoebiasis, B. Common cold, C. Typhoid, D. AIDS. The right answer is A. Amoebiasis. Goiter is caused due to the deficiency of A. Vitamin C, B. Magnesium, C. Vitamin A, D. Iodine. The right answer is D. Iodine. Ascaris lumbricoides is a common roundworm of A. Large intestine, B. Liver, C. Small intestine, D. Pancreas. The right answer is C. Small intestine. Which of the following diseases is not transmitted by mosquito? A. Malaria, B. Dengue, C. Typhoid, D. Chikungunya. The right answer is C. Typhoid. Which of the following is not a viral disease? A. AIDS, B. Dengue, C. Typhoid, D. Influenza. The right answer is C. Typhoid. Which of the following is not caused by bacteria? A. Typhoid, B. Anthrax, C. Tuberculosis, D. Malaria. The right answer is D. Malaria. Congenital diseases are those which A. are caused by parasites, B. are present from the time of birth, C. are deficiency diseases, D. are caused by air pollution. The right answer is B. are present from the time of birth. So, what's your score? If your score is more than 7, you are a pro. If your score is between 5 and 7, you are average. If your score is less than 5, you need to learn more about common diseases. For watching more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this quiz, please don't forget to hit the like button. See you soon.